Why did you choose this work?
That's what keeps me always alive.
When we remove all the borders, all the boundaries, all the things that feel like they separate us, what we're left with are the truly raw ingredients of the relationship between humans and work.
I'm so excited for our Morocco Working Around the World episode to release next week. And I just wanted to quickly say thanks for watching my channel. I sincerely appreciate your interest in self-discovery. My hope is that you'll subscribe. In fact, you might as well do it now and click on the notification bell so you get these videos as soon as they're released, because I know what we've got in store. Now, I've spent the last decade learning and teaching about how we lead our lives, our life's work, and our companies to new levels of success. My goal is to get you leaning in to be your best, to take the stuff I teach in a university environment and bring it into your everyday environment so you can be sure of what you're learning and also connect it to your life. So these videos are about becoming the best version of you and getting introduced to the key principles of modern day work. Our Working Around the World series that you just got a taste of, where you get to come with me and explore new countries, new ways of thinking, and be exposed to new principles for success. Those episodes are just heating up. And as you saw, next week is Morocco. You do not want to miss it.